In this video, I am giving us update on Mavie Global. Mavie Global is the #1 Web3 platform that has been there for more than 2 years now. And people have been earning a lot from this company. Some are yet to understand the company, but I'm here to give us update with the CEO. We did have a meeting with the CEO, live meeting with the CEO and the top leaders of this company. And there is an important update. The update will interest you, something that you may be looking for. So try and watch the end of this video and get the update. So to start with, what is Mavie? Mavie is a Web3 blockchain platform that's partnered with top blockchain projects. Yes, that have been there for years. The CEO is a trusted and tested person in the blockchain space. And now, Mavie all this while have been giving us long-term product. And this long-term product is very good, like the staking hub, the payment hub, the gaming hub NFT. But some persons don't have the patience to stay for that long term. So Mavie have been looking for something that can pay us daily. How we can withdraw something daily. So if you are looking for a daily earning business, that is what Mavie has got for I and you. Yes, and among the daily paying businesses, the best of it, or one of the best, is trading cryptocurrency. You know, cryptocurrency, as you all know, is one of the best way of making money. And if you get a good trading group or a good trading robot, you are going to make a hell of money. Yes, that is it. So Mavie is here to bring us a daily earning project, and this project is known as Finup. Finup is the best trading company in the world. In fact, it is not meant for private users. It is for commercial purposes. It's for people that trade with millions. It is for all these big wares in crypto that use this particular app. But because Mavie has a community, Mavie is a very big community. They now partner with this company. The company are now allow Mavie to have access to it, which normally or ordinarily such kind of company is used by hedge funds, by big company that can trade at $100 million, $1 billion. So, but now being a member of Mavie community, you can access this particular platform, this particular robot that trades and make huge gains. Yes, that is it. So basically, this is one of the best opportunities that I can get for Mavie, and this is only for Mavie. And you know, for some of us, we might have been trading with other. So Finup is a trading platform. It's a robot that is meant for commercial trading for people who use billions of dollars to trade. But because Mavie is a well-trusted company, they now open it up to Mavie members. So if you have been a member of Mavie, you have been sleeping, or you have been saying this company is a scam, or you have been saying this company doesn't bring anything that pay us daily, this is it now. Ask yourself, which company have lasted for more than 2 to 3 years without any issue? Yes, and so this is opportunity to make money from this particular product, especially we are in bull run. If you're in bull run, you want to make money. And that way to make money in bull run is also by trading. Of course, you can buy corn and keep. But if you want to make more money, it's trading. Yes, you buy low and say hi. And this is what this robot is there for us. Most of us, we don't trade, or we are new. If you are new in crypto, you don't know anything about crypto. This is for you. You don't need to learn signal. You don't need to learn fundamental analysis, technical analysis. All you need to do, just sign up. I'll drop the link in the comment section on this video and the description. Or if you're already a member, just go to your Mavie back office and buy the hub for trading, the trading hub. That's all. Link it to your Binance. That's all. It's not need to set up anything like other robots ask you to set up margin, set up, take profit. No, everything has been set up. So it's even for a newbie. Even you are new in crypto, you don't know about trading, just sign up, link the app with your Binance account. That is all, and your money is in your hand. What makes this particular project great is that your money is in your hand. You don't want to put your money in anybody robot. The money is not in the robot. It's not in the particular robot. The money is in your Binance account, And also other exchanges will be coming. We'll be having OKs and other exchanges which will soon be. For now, we are starting with Binance. And though Binance, some may think that it has been stopped working in Nigeria, but you can use the app. If you're using an app, you can see open your Binance in Nigeria with the app. So this is opportunity for us, especially we in Nigeria that we like to make daily income. In fact, this particular project, as the CEO said, he purposely did it mainly because of Nigerians. Because Nigerians don't understand the long-term staking hold because of our economy. And the white people there, they can put their money for 10 years because they understand. And also the economy is very big. But we in Africans here, most people are looking for daily bread. So that is why they now bought this particular one. So if you have no excuse to say Mavie is not for Nigeria, this is for you now. So some of us that didn't understand Mavie will label it a scam. At the end, you may see who is scamming himself, whether you're scamming yourself or Mavie is scamming you. So let us sit up and take this serious. Yes. Now, the another thing about this particular trading bot is that you can start with any amount of money. You can start with as low as even $5. Just put any amount of money you can afford to trade with and put it there and let it trade for you. Yes, there are a lot of updates coming up. So remember to subscribe to this channel. I will do more videos on this. If you need more videos on other Mavie projects, you can check in my comment section. You can check the video description, you see them, or you can check the YouTube channel. You can see other videos I've done on Mavie. So this video is very great. So watch it, and I'll be going to do the next video on the full compensation plan on Mavie, on Mavie-Finup. I'm going to do the next video on I'm going to do a full presentation on the Finup, how it works. So this is just to introduce us and to bring updates for us on Mavie-Finup Global. Thank you very much, and let me meet in the next video. Yeah.